Realme 16 Pro teased with a gorgeous new look and elegant colors. There will be two models, the Realme 16 Pro and the Realme 16 Pro Plus. Both devices tipped to launch on January 6. The Realme 16 Pro Plus 5G is expected to carry a maximum retail price of 43,999 rupees. Realme has announced 4 color options for the 16 Pro series: Master Gold, Master Gray, Camellia Pink, Orchid Purple. The new phones are carrying a clean but bold look, with a square-shaped rear camera module housing a triple camera setup and LED flash. The devices also feature what Realme calls an all-nature curved design, creating a seamless flow from the back panel into the display. Realme has confirmed that the handset maintains a slim profile with a thickness of 8.49mm, with a 200MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide shooter, and a periscope telephoto lens. This teaser shows 1x, 3.5x, and 10x magnification. A 50MP front camera. It has a 6.78-inch OLED screen delivering a 1.5K resolution, support a 144Hz refresh rate, an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The device will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. With 12GB RAM, the phone will launch with Android 16 and will receive 3 years of OS updates and an extra year of security patches. The phone includes a 7,000 mAh typical battery, 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.